வணக்கம். Valuta. A value date is a future date that is used for determining the present value of a product or security that fluctuates in price. In forex markets, the value date may be referred to as the valuta, where it may also be used to describe the value of one currency expressed in terms of its exchange rate with another currency. A value date refers to some future point in time at which the value of an account, transaction, or asset becomes effective. In banking, the value date is the date when funds are posted to an account and available for immediate use. For trading, the value date is the time at which a transaction is fully cleared and settled. In forex trading, the value date is regarded as the delivery date on which counterparties to a transaction agreed to settle their respective obligations by making payments and transferring ownership. It is the date at which funds, assets, or money's value becomes effective. Typically, value dates are used in determining the payment of financial products and accounts where there is a possibility of discrepancies due to differences in the timing of valuations. Such financial products can include forward currency contracts, option contracts, and the interest payable or receivable on personal accounts. The value date is also used in the bond market to calculate accurate interest on a bond. Calculation of accrued interest takes into account three key dates: 1. Trade date, 2. Settlement date, and the third one is value date. Hence, it is clear that the valuta is a typical term or word which may refer a date or the exchange rate for a currency which is used in forex trading. Thank you. We will meet with another interesting concept in the next video.